Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got a unique freebie for you all to download in the Gear Manager store, and it's worthy, people. It is worthy. Now, the name of the watch face is called Vortex Rotary Multi. In always on mode, it looks really awesome. I like the look in always on mode. I wish that was an actual watch face. Now, looking at the watch face when it's on, you got a unique way to tell time. At the top, you're gonna get your hour, you're gonna get your minutes, and you're also gonna get your month and your date right here. Now, if you look to the right, you can see November, December, January. It keeps going around. I thought that was nice. This is your step status info for how much of your goal that you have completed thus far. That's going to represent your battery life. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your steps. Now, if you look at it, the numbers around the bezel of the watch are blinking. I don't think that's going to burn that much more energy. So I'm going to say that animation is still a good look. Now in the center, you're going to get your seconds in red. Not bad at all, people. Not bad at all. And it is inactive, so I can tap right here and I can pull up my step status, and I could tap right here and eventually my watch is slow. Could be my watch or it could be the app, and you can pull up your battery info. You tap on the date, you can pull up your date, and it's a nice look. It's a nice look considering that the watch face is free. Check it out in the Gear Manager store. Watch face number 2. Now number 2 is called Gear S3 Elf23. Now don't hold me to it, people, but I'm believing it is still free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Go download this one right away, ASAP. Now looking at this watch face, very unique, very casual. You can wear this with a super casual wear. This one is nice. I'm liking this watch face. I like the design. I like what the developer brought to the table with this one. And yes, you are going to get a 24-hour time. Now it looks just as good in the AOD mode. It's kind of a flip side so far as the color theme is concerned. And it does look nice. It's pretty much going to look just like it did when the watch face was on. But when the watch face is on, again, 24-hour time. At the top, you're going to get your date, your month. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your heart rate and your step info. Come down a little further, you are going to get your battery percentage. Now, I like the uniqueness of the watch face. You got minutes spelled out over here, and you got a minute hand right there. So you get the best of both worlds. Analog/digital, not a bad look at all. Now I like the background theme of this. I like the detailing. The developer did an awesome job with this watch face. If you agree with me, hit me in the comment section down below. If you don't agree with me, hit me in the comment section down below anyway. All right, you all, enjoy the rest of your day and or night. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.